Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for tax amnesty for a nil return. First, understand that a nil return means you had no taxable income or tax liability for a specific period. Tax amnesty programs provide a valuable opportunity to file these overdue returns without facing penalties. It's a fresh start for taxpayers who missed filing but genuinely had no tax due. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you meet the requirements and complete your application correctly. Next, it's crucial to confirm your eligibility for the tax amnesty program. Each program has specific criteria, so review them carefully. Once confirmed, start gathering your essential documents. This includes personal identification, any relevant financial records, and a clear, concise statement explaining why your nil return was not filed on time. Having everything organized beforehand will make the application process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's focus on completing the application. You'll need to obtain the official tax amnesty application form directly from your tax authority's website or office. Carefully fill out every required section, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Double-check for any missing details. Remember to attach all your supporting documents, such as your nil return forms and your explanatory statement, making sure everything is clearly labeled for easy review. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Follow the instructions provided by the tax authority for submission, whether it's online, by mail, or in person. Always keep copies of your entire application package for your personal records. After submission, it's important to monitor the status of your application. Be prepared to respond promptly to any additional inquiries from the tax authority to ensure a successful outcome for your tax amnesty request.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.